Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying what you already control. Log into the CPM dashboard, check API keys, and confirm billing limits so you don't hit caps mid-run. Next, decide the proxy class, residential for legitimacy, data center for speed, or mobile for hardest to block sessions, and note why that matters for CPM accuracy. Once done, provision an initial pool of 50 to 200 endpoints and tag them by region and use case. This gets you moving into testing immediately. Now you integrate proxies into your workflow. Reconfigure your app to route CPM requests through proxy middleware or direct SOC/HTTP endpoints and test a small batch. Then implement rotation logic, set session lifetimes, decide when to use sticky IPs, and apply exponential backoff after errors, because rotation reduces fingerprinting and IP bans. Make sure to instrument logging for latency, success rate, request headers, IP, and timestamp. This telemetry explains performance. Finish by scaling carefully. Ramp concurrency up in 10 to 20% steps, and continuously watch error and drop rates so you can reverse course quickly. Optimize by removing slow or flaky endpoints and prioritize regions with stable round-trip times and success above 95%. That improves CPM consistency. If things go wrong, spikes in errors or blocks, first revalidate credentials and headers, then lower concurrency and run IP health checks. This single troubleshooting loop resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.